Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a special guest with me. Say hi, Akira.
Hi.
Some of you may know Akira from the Wise family. So this is my second time doing her hair. She is lovely. I just love this little girl. And today this style, she picked it on her own. So we are going to hook it up, okay? She picked a very cute style, and she is natural, so we're going to braid her hair naturally and then just add a few little hair to the ends of the hair for length.
Make sure to subscribe. Subscribe.
If you notice, I am only adding hair to the end of each braiding strand. adding shells to the front of her hair to make the hairstyle a little bit more playful for her. If you're remaking this hairstyle, please make sure that big braid in the back of the hair is not tight, because you want the child to be able to sleep at night and you don't want them to have headaches. So make sure that braid is as loose as possible, but not too loose for it to come undone. I have no idea what to call this hairstyle as of yet, so leave me comments and ideas. For me, I'm thinking the mohawk ponytail bun. I don't know. Get it, girl, get it. Hey, you like it? And there you have it, Miss Akira. Ah, she loves it. I love it. It looks great. Thank you all for watching me and Akira. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. Until next time, bye.